passenger window. And up nice and smooth. Driver's window. Nice and smooth. Does this radio work? Yeah. So yeah, radio works, a bit of Freddie Mercury. Electric aerial. And down she goes, so electric aerial works. Hazards. Hazards work. Horn. Which is two-tone, city and country. And yep, horn works. Demist. I don't know if it works, I assume it does, but because it's not frosty, I don't know. We've got panel lights and lights, they do work. Wipers. Two-speed, that's fast. That's slow. Oh, that's slow. And that is off. Fuel filler cap release, that works. Parking lights, I think, work. Aircon does not work. Now the blower works, so these vents are blowing pretty hard. Window vents, I can feel warm air coming out of there. So we're on fan 2. Oh no, we were on RAM. Fan 1. Not much happening on fan 2. Fan 1. So yeah, all 4 of those are blowing. Mirror missing. Whether it came with a mirror or not, I'm not sure. That is on top, so it will come off, it will clean up. Running 4 minutes on this video, so 5 minutes in total on the engine, so I'm going to take her for a little spin.